What's up, my unicorns? Welcome back to another video. And don't forget to get y'all milk bands. They're on the site, $9.99. But anyways, in this video, it's just gonna be like something cute, simple. I'm just gonna show y'all how I wand curl my curly wigs. And so I'm basically getting ready for this little mini photo shoot that I'm doing myself to promote my wig launch that's coming out. Y'all stay tuned for that. It's going to be dropping June the 10th at 12 a.m. So basically, all the wigs are going to be very unique, very their own. They're going to have different colors, different lengths, different textures. And I'm doing this because I never really had a passion to sell hair, like just for me to be like, oh yeah, I sell bundles, or hey, I got this middle part 30-inch wig, you should try it. No, like I want hair to stand out. I want to be able to say, yes, I have this 360 wig, is blue with white highlights, or I got this 613 blonde. I'm messing up my words, but I got this 613 bob with dark roots. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be able to say, yes, I have some wigs that stand out. I don't want to just have the ordinary hair on hand. So, but yeah, I'm just wand curling this, and I'm spraying like Sebastian hairspray. Well, I tried it on that first one, and then I was like, let me see how it look without me spraying it once I take it down, and I liked it a little bit better, as you can see. And that one ended up falling like later on. But yeah, basically the look that I'm going for is just wand curls at the bottom, and then I'm gonna put like 4 pink soda cans at the top. Y'all gonna see, it's so cute. I sprayed the soda cans myself, and I'm addicted to spray paint because I'm lazy, but I do so many DIY projects, and I'm noticing now that it might be better to like actually paint what I'm doing, because you have to stand back like a little bit, and sometimes even doing that still causes the paint to run when you spray paint. So yeah, if y'all are trying to get into DIYs, maybe if you want it looking flawless or like not too bad, yeah, you might want to hand paint it instead of spray painting it. But yeah, I like wand curling curly hair better than like body wave or like straight hair. Like, it looks way better. And I keep looking to the side because I'm watching something on my laptop. I think I was watching 911. But y'all see it? Just wait till y'all see the pictures. Like, it's gonna be so bomb. Like, they came out so freaking cute. But yeah, it's gonna be a wig like this on the site as well. Different colors, different shades. I've been posting like sneak peeks like every day to get people more excited and more amped up about it, like how I am. And y'all see, I got to make sure I wore the milk band so y'all can get into it. Okay, so the photo shoot was over, and now I gotta walk around. So I'm gonna curl the pieces that was rolled up or whatever. It really wasn't hard for me to roll the cans on there. I just couldn't look down, because if I was to look down, the cans were gonna fall out. So all I did was spray some mousse at the ends of the hair so it could stick, and rolled it up on there. And I bobby pinned it in the front, so because you can't see the bobby pins, but in the back I used big clips for like a sturdier base. But yeah. Okay, so these are the results. I need to fluff it out a little bit more, but I'm just gonna let them fall, do their own little thing. It lasts longer when you let the curls just do their own little thing. But yeah, these are the results, you guys. What y'all think? Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.